Watch this video to know what I have been doing to help the teens around me.
When I started this YouTube channel, one of my friends said, "You are a perfect example of humankind evolution." I smiled at a comment, but wondered to myself that I wouldn't have had to struggle so much in the past few years if I had laid a strong foundation for myself in my teens. I was a no one in my school days. I was a girl with zero confidence and had no personality of her own. I would always try to hide in the crowd. Cut to, now that I have evolved over the years through constant efforts and experiments, I am trying my best to guide the teens so that they do not make similar kind of mistakes which I have done in my teenage years. Watch this video till the end to know what I have been doing to help the teens around me. For now, let's get started with today's video. Here are 5 things which I wish I did in my teens. Number 1, exploring more. I wish I had explored new things. Like, just trying something different besides studies. Whether it's trying out new sport, hobby, or a skill, I did not give any of these a chance. I feel very less about myself today for losing on the golden years of my life. So, if you're in your teens, then please don't be scared to come out of your comfort zone and explore new things. You never know what might click and eventually turn into your passion.
Number 2, participating in competitions.
If I had participated in elocutions or debate competitions in my school days, I wouldn't have had to practice simply talking in front of camera. Initially, when I started creating content on social media, I was underconfident. Though I was a published author, I lagged in this particular area. Speaking confidently is the best skill you can have in today's world. So please don't let your stage fright stop you from participating in such competitions. Number 3, daring to be vocal. I never dared to voice myself for my good. I would very sheepishly run away from exposure which affected me in the long run. I struggled to talk to people. Reason being, I came from a middle class family and all my other classmates came from a slightly higher class background. I have to emphasize this to you if you're in your teens and face similar insecurities. Please stop now. It is okay to come from a middle class family and feel out of place, but it is not okay to suppress your existence in that feeling. You have to overcome your insecurities and mark a place for yourself while you are a teenager so that you are prepared for the big world out there. Number 4, being the rule breaker. I wish I wasn't the good, disciplined, and obedient student in school. Being that actually drained me off because there was a constant fear at the back of my mind of getting scolded or punished by a teacher or an elder. I feel I should have done at least some mistakes so that I had some interesting stories to share now. Besides the stories, you become quite confident in life to take some impromptu decisions whenever required. So, be a little mischievous, break a rule or two. That will make you ready for life in its true sense. Number 5, reading exceedingly. My classmates wrote exquisite essays in English, something like,
It's when the clouds huddle to form grey overlays, ending the summer monarchy. Then they hire the winds from the southwest to deliver the message of their arrival. And royally they pour in, bringing in the earthiest smells of June. The hearts go running in joy. Oh, here they are, our romantic monsoons.
you getting the difference between the level of language used? The language used was so flowery that the teachers had to tell them to use simpler words so that the moderators in the boards understand the essay. Now, why do you think their writing was exemplar? It's because they were reading a wide variety of books every single day. And on the other hand, I did not read a single book out of the syllabus until I was in 9th standard. I too wrote good essays, but I could have written better essays if I had started my reading journey back then. Now, as promised, let me tell you what I have been doing for the teens around me so that they do not repeat my mistakes. I used to play badminton with these girls in the society and slowly started talking to them about books. And when I got all my books from my parents' place to my husband's place, I invited these girls to pick a book if they wished to. And to my delight, I could convert her into a reader. When she started reading back-to-back books in her vacations, I thought of maintaining a logbook and see, she's already read 18 books. But my work is not yet done. I will be satisfied and happy if I can pull all her friends also towards reading. This is my little effort to help the teens to not repeat the same mistakes which I have done in my teenage years. I hope you like this video. Do share this video with your teenage cousins or friends and consider subscribing to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care, keep smiling, bye.